Welcome to this Quad Pro support video. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the Preferences menu. The Preferences menu is located on the left hand menu from the home screen. The Preferences menu allows you to customize certain aspects of your Quad Pro system as well as set up specific settings for your system. The first tab is the General tab. Here you can customize the company name as well as the terminology for your four main areas of the system, which is establishment, site, building and space. These are set as default, however you can change them to suit your specific site needs. Next is image type. You can put the plans file type for your Quad Pro system here, as well as the CAD program file extension, and the size of the clickable area for your plans. We have set this at 10 pixels, which is the default size, and if you want to change it, you can do so. Next is the financial and budget information area. Here you have the financial start year area, so you can set your financial year to start from any date. Ours is the 1st of September, and you can show all the years going back to whenever you got the system. So R1 goes back to 2002. This button here allows you to calculate the supplier current spend, and you can also hide the new budgets alert. So when you log into your Quad Pro system and there's a month until you have to set up the budgets, this will alert you to do so. And you can also choose to have the budget year taken as the end year. You can designate a main site from your list of sites, and R1 is S1. And here we have the web server preferences. Here is where you customize the settings for your web portal. So the plans file type is PNG, and the web server port is set at 80. We recommend keeping this at 80. And the web server base URL is the URL which users use to access the web portal. This is set by default to localhost, however a customized URL can be set up by your IT team. Should you wish to allow users to log in without a password, you can tick this option here and that will be taken away. And you can also enter the email address of people who authorize registrations to the Quad Pro system. So we will put an address in there. And below is an important area of the system. This allows you to keep informed of all job requests that are coming in, and you can enter as many email addresses as possible in here, but we recommend using one which goes to a group of people, and that allows you to keep on top of the job requests. Once you've made any changes, press apply and click OK. Next up is the email notification setup. I'll only be going through the first three options here, as the rest of this is usually handled by the IT team and ourselves, so you would not have to worry about this. If you wish to disable the job request email notifications from the web portal, you can tick this box. If you wish to notify an operative automatically when a job request is referred to them, you can tick this one. And if the operative doesn't have an email address against their name, you just tick this box here, and that will alert you when going into a job request. Press apply to confirm any changes and press OK to exit. Users can also log into the Quad Pro client via Active Directory login. If you wish to know more about this, please let us know and we'll be happy to get in touch. And the version modules here displays what version you're currently on. The next tab is the Building and Space tab. Here you can customize field labels for these screens, and in the site field we have one customizable field. R1 by default is Site Manager, but you can customize this to fit your specific needs. And for building, we have date built, roof, walls, fenestration and listing as our default fields. For space, we have space category, space use, manager, and inspection reference. These are useful in managing the aspects of your space to ensure you know what type of space it is, and you can also add any specific risks to this space by using the inspection reference. This is useful for when a risk is in an area that an operative is working in and the job request is assigned there. It will then appear on the job request form, alerting them to this risk. The compliance custom fields have 10 custom fields. Again, you can customize these to fit your specific needs, and this will appear on the Building tab's compliance menu. To find out more about compliance, please check the link in the description, and a video detailing how to use compliance will be outlined there for you. And again, the general custom fields will appear in the space menus, and they can be customized to your specific needs. Again, we have a list of defaults which come with the system, but it's up to you what you'd like to use. The next menu is assets, and we have 2 customizable fields here which allow you to determine the model and the serial number of the asset. These are our default field labels. Again, you can change these to fit your specific needs. We also have an option here for the automatic job request from asset maintenance details. So when you set up an automatic asset maintenance job request, you can set up a default priority from the list of your priorities, and you can also select a default job type. The next tab is maintenance. In this tab, you can customize any of the information required for planned maintenance. This area goes into further depth in a different video called planned maintenance. Again, this will be outlined in the description below. On the right hand side, you have more customizable fields. So the service provider for your in-house maintenance, we can call this QDS maintenance. And you can also customize the main and sub-budget headings. By default, we have these set as head budget and sub budget. The health and safety statement will appear on all job requests and works orders, and this will only appear if you have ticked the option below. And the task scheduler option is for allowing automatic job requests to go out. If you do not wish to do any automatic job requests or you want to put them on hold, you can tick this option here. Within the Works Orders tab, you have a number of customizable fields again. So you can customize the title, the Works Order completion note, the work order note for both operatives and representatives. If you wish to have the works order approved before being issued as a safeguarding method, you can tick this box here. And the default works order type can be set to internal or external. The default job request and works order location format will display in any of these 3 options. And you can make job types mandatory for works orders by ticking this option here. And this important setting here, allowing budgets to be changed on issued works orders, allows you to change a issued works order to a different budget in your system. This can affect the auditability of the system, and we do recommend using this with caution. If you are unsure about this, please let us know. You can set up automatic blind carbon copies to any address set out here, and the email body text can be customized to appear when you are about to send the email, and all you need to do is add any additional text as required. And if you wish to work with timesheets, you can also do that by ticking this option here. And lastly, we have the update works order issue date. So this will allow you to update all works orders to their date when they were issued and not created. The final two tabs are QuadPro staff only tabs, and these allow us to set up a number of settings for your system, so you do not need to worry about these tabs as they are restricted and you cannot access them. That covers the preferences area of QuadPro. If you require any assistance, please contact us at help@quadpro.com or visit our website www.quadpro.com.